Alright, this is Andy at Fat Man's Garage again. Got a 73 Roadrunner parts car. Originally a 318 car. It was supposed to have had a 440 6-pack put back into it. But it looks like it's got a 340 6-pack. Still not complaining about that. I also have the original 318. Car's pretty rough. A lot of savable parts on here. We'll do a real quick walk around to kind of follow up, and we'll get her cleaned up a little bit better and get some better pictures and better videos. Just want to kind of update everybody. It's going to be a little bit before we get to this car. Oh, yep, see? Roadrunner. Traeger wheels. Got the original one too. Trunk's pretty much shot. I mean, that's going to be scrap, but there's still a lot of good parts on here. Let me know what everybody's looking for. So let me know what if anybody's looking for anything, needs any parts, any information on it. That would be great. Thanks for checking things out.